A 1000 piece puzzle sounds pretty challenging, right? But what if I tell you that I have a 1000 piece puzzle right here and I'm gonna open it and try to solve it within a week? Oh my god, what have I gotten myself into? Like, I'm a beginner and I don't do puzzles much often, and I took half a month to solve 1000 piece puzzle before this one. So, within a week, solving 1000 piece puzzle is a huge challenge for me. But what is a life without challenges? So, I have ordered a puzzle from Amazon, which I'm gonna open in front of you guys. Let's open it. Time for some ASMR. Oh my god, the quality is so good, guys. And I have ordered this puzzle from a brand named Frank. And let me be frank with you guys that this is a really high quality puzzle. I mean, the packaging is so good, it's so chic, and I love the colors. I mean, I'm so happy that I chose this print for this puzzle. And yeah, you can see there are more prints on the back for future reference if you want to buy other puzzles in this series. And of course, this is a 1000 piece puzzle. It has exact 1026 puzzle pieces, 4 sorting trays, and 1 reference poster. I am so excited but also so nervous because I don't know how I am gonna complete it within a week because it's so big. But yeah, if I have taken a challenge, I am gonna complete it. Let's unbox this. So excited. First impression, best impression. Wow. Okay, so we have firstly our bag full of puzzle pieces. Look at that, guys. I mean, look at that. It's so colorful, so pretty. I mean, I love the color palette. It's a colorful rainbow flowers puzzle. So, of course, it's gonna have a lot of colors. This is gonna be pretty challenging because every color seems the same to you when you're doing the puzzle. So, we have a bag full of puzzle pieces. Then we have some of the sorting trays which we can assemble to use it when we are puzzling. Oh, I love the print on them. They have a simple cute puzzle kind of a print on them, so lovely. Then we have is our some instructions for the sorting trays, how to assemble them and how to fold them back. Pretty useful for people like us who don't know how to assemble little things. And then we have our poster in here, the puzzle which we have chosen. We have the poster for it. Let me tell you guys something. I ordered this puzzle before this one. It was my first ever puzzle, and it was also a 1000 piece puzzle which I solved under half a month. And that poster had like the print on the front and on the back the same print but with the puzzle pieces, so you could figure it out that which puzzle piece shape would be here. And let me tell you, this one does not have that, so it's going to be super difficult for me to figure it out that which piece puzzle would go there. But yeah, let's do this because I'm so excited. So now what I'm going to try to do is assemble these trays because I'm going to be needing them for sorting the puzzle pieces. And yeah, let's assemble them quickly and then I'll meet you. So guys, now I have made these sorting trays and it's quite sturdy. I mean, quite usable. Then we have this packet of puzzles. I have my friends on because it is 27th December today and it's gonna get off of Netflix on 30th December in India. So I'm really sad that, oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to watch it. But I have heard that it's gonna launch its own app or something. So I guess we're gonna see it again. Hope so. So, anyways, I have this bag of puzzle pieces and I'm gonna sort it out today. I'm gonna do this puzzle within a week. So that is 27th December today. So I have to finish it by 2nd January 2026. And I could finish it sooner, but not later than 2nd January 2026. Oh my god, New Year is so close. So yeah, this is my goal. But today I'm thinking to firstly sort out the pieces, sort out the edge pieces, and also kind of color sort them. Many people sort them on the basis of shapes, and many people sort them on the basis of the color. I think color would work better for me because yeah, I could see color much more prominent than the shape, and yeah, that would be much easier for me to finish it. So yeah, let's get back to this and open this bag and let's get started. Wishing me good luck so I could just complete this challenge by 2nd January 2026. Hi guys, it is day 2 today and I am back on my desk again. So today is 28th December and it's currently 8:34 right now. And I was out for some work today, so I did not get time at all to do this puzzle. But right now I am here again, and yesterday night I just sorted out the pieces a lot, and I made certain sections also. Let me show you guys. So in this box I have all the edge pieces which I can assemble today, and then I have all the yellow pieces in this, green, red, blue. You can see there are so many pieces here which are like white, orange, purple, pink, light blue, and a lot of multicolor pieces. So I could not sort out each and every piece, so I did the major color sorting: red, green, blue, and yellow, and the corner edge pieces. Now what I'm gonna do today is at least try to put this thing like the frame, and then just start with one corner at least for today. And I think I'm gonna be able to do for 1 hour straight. Then I would have to go and have my dinner. So yeah, let's go. Let's start with it. And I'm gonna be watching Friends because of course it's going from Netflix. So I have to watch it before it just vanishes. So yeah, let's just start this puzzle, you guys. So, guys, today is day 5, and I will show you the date and time. It is 31 December, 4:58 p.m. right now, so it's like 5 p.m. currently. And yeah, tomorrow starts our 2026. And because New Year is so close, I couldn't just complete my puzzle that quick. But you know the progress that I have made, and I would definitely say that this one is so much harder for me to complete. And also, I'm not getting that much time to complete it, but I think I might make some good progress today, and I might not get time tomorrow, or I might, but I will try to do it within the set time limit. Let's see how it goes. But you can see I have somehow sorted the pieces, I have somehow put them together, and it's looking really good, guys. It's so colorful, so pretty, and yeah, I might just frame it too anyway. And I know I have not been updating you guys much since day 3 and 4, but I was so consumed in other things as well, so I thought to just update you on day 5, which is today. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video till now, and let's see what happens in future. But let me tell you, I feel like I have just taken this challenge way too easily. Like, this is not for me, this is not for a beginner. I am like a pure beginner. Wait till the end to see it. Let's go. Happy New Year. Today is the day 7, that is 2nd January. Yesterday was 1st January and I could not record at all, and I did do a little bit of puzzle off camera and on camera, but yeah, that's what progress I have made. Anyways, so today we are back on this puzzle and now I am gonna complete it today because I want to just win this challenge at all costs. You can see it's a 511. Also, I changed my wallpaper for the new year because yeah, new vibes. So I'm gonna complete it today, whether it takes me the whole night, but yeah, I think I will be able to complete it within 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, let's go because I'm so excited to see the end results. Hi guys, so it is another day today, and you guys already know that I have successfully completed this puzzle under the set time, and I am so happy. I mean, I can't believe that I completed it like within 7 days, and it is a huge deal for me because this is so huge, guys. I mean, it was kind of tiring at one point, but at the end of the day, when I was just putting all the rest of the pieces, it was like therapy, the pieces were just clicking at their places and it was like a therapeutic. But you also know a bad news that my one piece is missing. I could just cry at this moment. I don't know if I lost it or it was not even present in the box or not, because I really don't know. It's just the middle piece, so how would I figure it out? And I did not shift this puzzle at all. I don't know where it went. I searched the entire place, everywhere, it is nowhere. So I don't know if I lost it or it was not in the box, but I don't know. I've never seen reviews about missing pieces of this puzzle, like this brand. So I think I lost it. I could just cry again. It would look so beautiful, like fully done. So I cannot also frame it, which I was not even planning to. But yeah, I am happy that I completed this challenge, you guys, and I hope you guys liked this. It was a hectic week for me, but also a fun activity, and I did enjoy doing it. It was fun, different, and enjoyable. So yeah, guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this puzzle, and if you guys have more challenges like this for me, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this puzzle, you can also try it out. Not even if 1 week, you can just try it for like a month or something, or just something to do daily for 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour. Fun activity, right? And I will be back with another video very very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you in another video. Bye bye.